What's up, everyone? Just giving a quick update for November. Pretty solid month. Finished 10.76% up. This was the highest results for the year. We really seen our upside come through from exposure to Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Solana, a few of the big ones that we've been holding on to for quite a while. I ended up adding more positions throughout the summer and into October, and these have now profited pretty significantly, as you can see from the chart. We're looking at about 31.5% as of today. The December results still have to start coming through, so that could be a little bit higher, but looking at November in particular, we're doing pretty well. We've maintained risk score of 4 throughout the year. It's been really, really steady. The portfolio is set up really, really well. I'm also looking to probably add funds in the next few weeks. I will do an update then when that happens. But ultimately, what I want to be able to do is really capitalize on crypto for next year. We've got 96.3% of our capital allocated. We've got a very, very small cash balance. I think that is there primarily for any drawdown that we're going to see. It's very, very small amount because I do think this is the time to get in at the right positions ahead of time. As you know, I'm a long-term investor, so I'm happy to see a little bit of volatility as we go through. While we've seen huge gains from November, I do see that there's going to be probably a correction in crypto at some stage. We might even see it to January, but that's all part of it. I think that we have to be able to withstand any drawdowns as part of this journey. It's just part and parcel of being exposed to crypto. So as you can see, you've got 60.1% of my portfolio in crypto. Looking at the portfolio risk, it's your main kind of blue chips that I have most of my exposure to. Bitcoin and Ethereum have always been really kind of strong performers for me, and I'm backing them again this time. To be honest, they are the leaders in my mind. We're not going to see, I don't think we're going to see 10x, 20x like some of the altcoins, but look, if we can grow our portfolio with also our stock exposure, I think we can do pretty well next year. I think across all time frames, we're pretty much, beating the S&P. I think NASDAQ, let's have a look. Let's take a look at the 5 year. Yeah, we're kind of beating the NASDAQ well over the 5 years. NASDAQ's slightly ahead on a year basis. And then other time frames quite neck and neck as well there. One of the other areas I want to talk in, anyone who's potentially looking at copying my activity. At the moment, we've got 50 copiers, about 39K of assets under management. Always looking for new copiers. Please reach out if you're thinking of copying. I really want to make sure that if it's something you want to do, that I will walk you through exactly how we're going to make money together. The important part here for full transparency, as you know, I'm a long-term investor. My average copy duration is 750 days. So in and around 2 years, and of those profitable copiers, there's about 92.3% of that 50. So it's a good majority. We've lost people along the way who haven't closed that profit, but I mean, that's just part of it as well. So all I say is, like, if you're thinking of copying activity, be willing to be in it for the long term. We're up 31.5% for the year, 23.35% over 2 years. We've got a risk score of 4. As you can see, the portfolio volatility is still quite low. Looking at profitable weeks, we're still well above where we need to be. If we're looking at apples to apples, you just need more than 50% of your trades to be profitable. We're in around 62%. We've been pretty consistent this year after last year and after the bear market for crypto, particularly for the next 12 to 18 months. My plan is to ultimately do my best to time the market. I will take profit along the way. I want to make sure that we can reinvest profit into things that are a little bit more steady in time. Ultimate goal is to preserve capital and grow it at a sustainable rate. So that's ultimately my goal as a popular investor. If you want to be able to join that journey, please reach out. Please feel free to copy me, add me to a watch list. I'm happy to jump on a call with anyone if anyone wants to speak more. Thank you very much. Also, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my YouTube. Thanks so much.